Alright guys, we got a couple new things in today. It's from Jay's Racing, from Spoon. I don't think anyone's got this yet. Let's go ahead and unpack. So I actually posted this on my Instagram yesterday. Came in pretty quick. They had said 6 to 8 weeks, but it literally took less than a week. The Jay's Racing lower rear motor mount. This one is actually for somebody else. But let's just go ahead and check it out. Here's how it looks. Now over here, so this is the Spoon rear motor mount. I believe this is the right side mount for the motor. And for this, you gotta take apart the, I believe everything with the Spoon kit is 25% stiffer than stock. It's got the Spoon Sports logo on there. So this must be the left side mount. Yeah, so this will go in like this. The Spoon logo on there also. We'll go ahead and swap out the throttle body coupler. It's known to rip. And I've got this one here from Dream Automotive, so this will go in. It'll replace the OEM, a lot better than the OEM one. Alright guys, the coupler's in. I'll tell you right now, that thing is the tightest fitting coupler I've ever had to deal with. If you have some kind of grease, put it on just the edge of the throttle body and then of the charge pipe, just to get it started. So I did see a difference in the bushing, thinner on the Spoon, but I'm guessing it's probably a stiffer material used for the bushing. Here's this side by side. Alright guys, again, so this left one is the Spoon one. And aside from the OEM one, the only thing I noticed is that the bushings inside are slimmer, but probably like a more dense material. Alright guys, so I ran late yesterday. You're trying to record and install the part at the same time. So anyways, the OEM rear motor mount has got a 19mm bolt here. You need a 17mm socket for the one back there. And once you remove them, you definitely want to pry bar. This bolt is too long. So if you're on the stock front pipe, I heard you can just slide it out. But with an aftermarket front pipe, you're going to have to remove the connection where it connects to the downpipe, just so you can wiggle it. Once you remove the downpipe connection bolts, you can wiggle it to the side enough where you can slide that bolt out. And then you're gonna put the new rear motor mount in, and I highly recommend pushing it all the way to the back. I don't know, use a rubber mallet, whatever you gotta do, pry bars, and get that bolt threaded first, and then get this one in. So yeah, the Spoon one's in. So let's see how it behaves on the road. So there's like no vibration. I heard the Sport has a lot of vibration. Like this is at a stop. I did feel a little vibration at red lights, but I think it went away because maybe the bushings got a little adjusted and broken in.